Another interesting thing that we get here in our forest is called
The Amazon rainforest, covering approximately 2,124,000 square miles, is a place of great mystery and allure. Hidden within its dense foliage lies a diverse ecosystem teeming with life, including unique tribes that have called the pristine environment home for centuries. The Amazon rainforest is home to numerous indigenous tribes, each with its distinct culture, traditions, and way of life. These tribes, such as Yanomami, Kayapo, and Ashaninka, have maintained their ancestral heritage and continue to live in harmony with the rainforest ecosystem. They rely on their deep knowledge of the land and its resources for sustenance, utilizing traditional hunting, fishing, and gathering practices. One of the primary reasons these indigenous tribes struggle to connect with the country environment is the isolation within the rainforest. Many of these tribes live in remote and inaccessible areas, making it challenging for them to interact with the outside world. They often lack the infrastructure and communication systems necessary to establish consistent contact with nearby cities or towns. This isolation helps preserve their cultural identity but also poses challenges when it comes to accessing modern amenities, healthcare, and education. While these tribes may seem harmless, their presence in the Amazon rainforest has sometimes led to conflicts with the surrounding country population. Rapid deforestation, illegal logging, and encroachment by settlers seeking new lands and resources have escalated tensions between the tribes and outsiders. Additionally, the introduction of disease from the outside world to which the indigenous tribes have little or no immunity has resulted in devastated health crises among these communities. It is essential to recognize the cultural and ecological significance of the indigenous tribes in the Amazon rainforest. These tribes possess vast knowledge about the rainforest ecosystem, its medicinal plants, and sustainable practices that can benefit humanity as a whole. Their preservation ensures the protection of biodiversity and contributes to the global fight against climate change. Efforts are underway to bridge the gap between the indigenous tribes of the Amazon and the surrounding country population. Non-governmental organizations, governments, and researchers are working together to establish respectful relationships, provide healthcare and education, and protect indigenous rights. Promoting dialogue, preserving ancestral knowledge, and incorporating sustainable practices can foster a harmonious coexistence between these tribes and the modern world. Behind the 2,124,000 square miles of unexplored Amazon rainforest lie vibrant indigenous tribes whose way of life remains deeply connected to the land and its resources. Their isolation, although preserving their cultural identity, presents challenges in accessing basic services and protecting their well-being. By understanding their unique perspective, respecting their rights, and fostering collaboration, we can navigate a path that preserves both the cultural heritage of the tribes and the irreplaceable ecological treasure that is the Amazon rainforest.